Apply concealer in a triangular shape, not a dot formation. This way you get more lift for your under eyes than bags. A lot of gals have caught onto this trick already, but using conditioner as shaving cream works surprisingly well. The thick coating of the conditioner leaves skin smooth and hydrated. It's all in the brush, ladies. Those expensive mascaras you buy are worth the tool, not the formula. Just clean it and use it with drugstore mascara. Similar effects. If you want to avoid a muddy-looking smoky eye, use two separate brushes. One to apply the shadow and another to blend the lines. Wiggle the brush at the root of your lashes to use it as a liner for your inner top lid. The thicker the brush, the better. Make your scent last longer throughout the day. A mug of boiling water should do the trick. Just let the tube sit for 5 minutes for clump-free and smooth lashes.